Hello students, welcome to our geography class. Here we start the lesson number 10, urbanization. The name of our lesson number 10 is urbanization. Here some conversation between son and father. A dialogue between a farmer, name is Tatya, in a village, and his son Suresh is given here. Read it carefully and hold a discussion on the following question. Here given some questions, we complete the answer that question with the help of this discussion. Here now let us start a discussion between Tatya and Suresh. Tatya is the farmer and Suresh is farmer's son. Tatya said, Suresh, I will come late to the field. Today you go ahead. Suresh, but father, today I was thinking of going to the factory. Tatya said, why? Suresh said, I think I should work in that factory. Here discussion between Tatya and Suresh. Tatya said, Suresh, I will come late to the field today. You go ahead. You go forward. You go ahead means you go forward. Then Suresh said to, but father, today I was thinking of going to factory. Tatya said, why? Suresh said, I think I should work in that factory. Suresh thinking that he should work to try that factory. Tatya said, work in factory? For what? For what reason to work in factory? Suresh said, father, if I work in factory, I will get monthly salary, income, increase the income. If I work overtime, I will get additional money, increase their income. Also, I will get bonus in Diwali. Tatya, but what about our fields? Tatya worry about the fields. So he told to Suresh, but what about our fields? Suresh said that I will also look after the field simultaneously. Simultaneously means alternate. Tatya said, all that is fine, but will you able to manage all this? Suresh said, Tatya, I will look after all that. You don't worry. We should think all about the future now. Our village will change drastically from what it looks now. Drastically means more. Tatya said, what change you are talking about? Suresh said, oh Tatya, recall your past. Recall your past, reminder your past. Recall means reminder. Reminder your past. Remember the earlier village. How small was our village, and look at our village today. Difference between the past and future, present tense. Today there is factory near our village. Our field is the village because of the factory. Roads will develop and facilities like hospitals, school and colleges, administrative offices will come up. Huge buildings will stand fall in the village. People from outside will come and stay here, live here. The sprawl of the village will increase. Sprawl means spread. Village will increase. Village will develop due to the factory industries. Answer the following question. Here student, some question answer. With the help of this conversation, we complete the answer of this question. Here first question is, why is Suresh thinking of going to the factory for work? Why is Suresh thinking of going to the factory of work? The answer of this question is, Suresh is thinking of going to the factory as it will get him monthly salary. First question is, why is Suresh thinking of going to factory for work? The answer of this question is, Suresh is thinking of going to the factory as it will get him a monthly salary. And he works overtime. He will get additional money and bonus during Diwali. So Suresh is thinking of going to the factory for work. Then second question is, what is Tatya worried about? What is Tatya worried about? The answer of this question is, Tatya is worried about the availability of labor in the agriculture field since his son Suresh, he had decided to work in the factory. Also he is worried whether his son can manage working in the field and factory simultaneously. So Tatya worried about this field. Then third question is, what changes does Suresh think will occur in village? The answer of this question is, development of goods and facilities like hospitals, schools, colleges, administrative offices, huge building are expected in the village. Above factor will lead to migrate of people from different villages, which will bring about rural development. So these changes Suresh think will occur in the village. Then last question is, what other changes do you think will occur in the village? There will be well planned drainage system, pure drinking water supply, street lighting, concrete roads, public library, etc. Amenities will be provided. There will be fire station to the control fires, police station to control crimes. These changes are likely to occur in the village. The answer of last question is, what other changes do you think will occur in the village? These changes occur in the village.